for Dunkin' Donuts. Out to the street. No power here still. This whole section over here. My mad driving skills in this big old box truck. Not a box truck, it's a conversion van. It's converted into a work truck. 275,000 miles on this thing. Wow.
You'd be depressed too.
Right. That's exactly true.
All these lights are out. Crazy still.
Let's go to Barbara is in Jackson.
At your own risk.
Hi, good morning. I love you guys so much.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Mother detouring me everywhere.
I just was driving. I'm living in a 55 and over community here in Jackson, and we still don't have any power. And I understand from someone that Governor Murphy was down the street on Sandler, where there's down trees and the street is closed. And yesterday, supposedly
Oopsie me. I just did something so illegal.
The transformer issues results. And Harmony Trucks, they're working on it today, and I'm so disgusted and discouraged with if that was his action. Where is the help there? I'm a young one here, but there are several seniors here that are on oxygen and need help, and I just heard that the JCCML may not be up till Tuesday night, and I'm flying. I have to go to hotel.
Yeah, well, how do you make it out? Last night wasn't too hot, right? Last night was a fan. No,
No,
You need a
right,
fan.
it's funny, so we're sleeping with our windows open, and it's, I guess we're a little spoiled, right, because we're air conditioning practice in my car, charging my phone, which I'm on now,
Right,
right?
at least you're in a quiet neighborhood with the windows open. It's a quiet neighborhood. It's 55 and older.
Was it breezy at all last night where you would have even gotten any relief from open windows?
Yes, but more last night, it was better than the night before, so a little
Night
bit.
before was
So,
horrific.
How do you like being in a 55 and older
Yeah.
community?
Love it.
Yeah?
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Nice. And if so, Murphy was there for a photo op, but nothing is resolved today.
Damn. World War III down this road.
I'm getting this information.
Well, that's a micro.
This whole area, no power.
I did not see it first.
Yeah, that's
This
a
whole
microcosm
development.
of his administration. No, it's true. He's the flag.
Throwing another set, the 10th?
He presents well.
Possibly the-
Doing a
yeah,
good
possibly
job.
August 10th.
Killing his accent. But anyway, Barbara, good luck. I hope the
know what that
confidence
is.
soon. Our thoughts and prayers with him.
Where's that?
Take care.
There's some strange phone stuff going on too, Judy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just added to the list of first world
Yes.
problems.
What's going on? When we have problems to get the water, the drinking water, killing the children, it's not clean. How about you? The cell phone service on our talk show is not good. I'm upset. All right, 11:18, 10:18, time for New Jersey. Traffic.
Service remains suspended for New Jersey Transit trains along the North Jersey coastline, the Morris-Essex line, the Montclair-Boone line, and the
Jack's a
Gladstone
stripper.
branch. Services running on the weekend schedule along the Northeast Corridor, the Raritan Valley line, Pascack Valley line, the Main line, the Bergen and Port Jervis lines. Taking it to the streets, New Jersey Turnpike southbound western spur is heavy for a couple of miles approaching the Passaic River Bridge. Take Pete's Pick, use the southbound eastern spur. It looks good. Route 22 is also very slow eastbound.
Yeah, here's a tree Jack lost.
Road in Union through Ploy Street Hillside. Traffic is still moving along fine on 287 north and south between the New Jersey Turnpike and Edison and Route 80 in Parsons.